How many grams are there in 2.03 kilograms? Is it A, 203 grams, B, 20,300 grams, letter C, 2,030 grams, or letter D, 200.300 grams? King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Ayan. So, ang king stands for kilo, ang H, ang Henry stands for hecto, died is for deca, by is the base unit, and the drinking is for deci, chocolate is for centi, and milk is for milli. So, kilograms to grams. So, that is here, kilo papunta sa grams. Andito yon, kilograms to grams. So again, mula tayo sa higher unit papunta sa lower. So ilang beses natin i-multiply? 1, 2, 3. So 3 times. So mag-multiply tayo ng 1,000. So that's 2.03 times 1,000. And that is equal to, ganito lang po yan. Kapag ganyan po, 2.03, i-move lang inyong decimal places kung ilang zero meron dito. 1, 2, 3. Ayan po. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay 2,030 grams, which is letter C.